Hello, future colleagues. My name is Kaspar Sosis. I have 2 graduate degrees, one in computer science and one in business computing, both from Central Michigan University, and a PhD degree in computer science from Riga Technical University. As well as I have 20 years of industry experience in IT and in ERP systems consulting areas, both in Europe and in the USA. The course title is Python Object-Oriented Programming and Modeling. This is one of several Python-related courses in Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences. In particular, this course is part of International Undergraduate Study Program Information Technologies. This course has a prerequisite, Introduction to Python Programming and Data Exploration. The work in this class is done in small groups. The course begins with foundations of Unified Modeling Language, or UML. And it intensively goes into details, such as structures and other aspects of modeling. In parallel, there is work with object-oriented design in Python. Constructing classes, details in inheritance, polymorphism, and reengineering, among other aspects. And to apply the gained knowledge, the Python objects are used in simulation. So let's work and experience Python objects together. See you in Valmiera.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences, subscribe to our channel and look for more information in video description.